Hi guys, this is Anash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss Power BI area chart. Area chart basically is based on the line chart, but the difference is in area chart, the area between the a-axis and the line is filled with the colors, and it indicates the data volume. When to use the area chart? When you need to compare the value across the time, say the profit of the 2 years comparison, or the sales of the 2 years comparison. So in that case, you can use the area chart. Before doing the practical on the area chart in Power BI desktop, we have some data. So we check that data. In this data, we have the Excel sheet. So country, name of the country, Canada, France. And in second column, sales for the 2020. Third column, sales for the 2021. Then the profit. It means the Canada sale was the 322 in 20. 567 in 21 and profit was the 344. Again, the France for 2020 year sale 433, for 2021 sale 867 and the profit 3210. Again the Canada means second sale for the same year 2020 232 and 21 567 profit is a 33. Now my requirement is that I want to visualize this comparison, this 20 and 21, the sales of the 20 and 21 in a chart. And along with that, this comparison, I also want the information of the profit. So for this purpose, I can use the area chart, basic area chart. Now we do the practical of the area chart on the Power BI desktop. So already we have the data that is already uploaded. Now report and area chart. In area chart, axis country, in values year 2020, and for comparison second year means 2021. So the chart is ready. Basically this is a line chart. If you click on the line chart, so you can see it converts the line chart. Again area chart. So these are the line and the area is filled with the color that shows the volume of data. Now some formatting. Then y-axis, display say none. Now secondary one, that is the off, so on. Color black 14. Now our area chart is ready, but I want also information about the profit, and I want to display this information on the y-axis, this one. So on the secondary value, drag and drop profit. So we have the information about the profit. Third one. So if you hover the mouse, then you can have the information about the year country and profit. This one. So basically this shows the comparison between the points between the years along with the profit. So guys, this was all about the basic area chart in Power BI. Thanks for watching the video.